Ocean Beach, like beach club or kids club or whatever it is you know, kind of every day they come out and do their little sailing exercises. Looks nice, little sails out on the water. Some over in, I don't think it's Atlantique, but maybe Dunewood next to it. They have, I don't know if you can see in the distance, they have their little sunfishes. Only a couple left out there. There were more late before. And Fire Island Lighthouse. A lot of activity in this area, keeping us entertained. As long as speedboats, when they're around, don't come by too close. It's a beautiful Monday afternoon, July 13th. It's Stu's birthday. It's a beautiful day. Even the boat is getting I mean, I'm doing a pan, but the boat seems to be panning itself for me. Woo! Heading in, getting wet. See the swan on shore? There's two. Are they not friends? They're not close. Let's try not to disturb them. There she blows. I think we've hit land. Almost. There we go. All right, getting out. We made it to land. Now we're going to be heading over to Ocean Beach. Get some frozen drinks and a nice dinner. Today's Stu's birthday. Happy birthday, Stu.
I don't even really remember what
Yeah, dude. Well, yeah, because
what did we like in the past? I mean, whatever we liked before is fine.
I would like to go to someplace different than we've done the last 2 years for your birthday.
Okay, so
Just to have a change for myself. I mean, you always get the same thing, but
sure. Well, that's what I mean. Like we can pick.
But, you know, we'll walk. We'll see. You know, we could look at menus or we could just what looks nice or as, well, I mean, at this time, what time is it? Is it 5 yet?
I don't remember where we went for dinner last time, so.
I do.
So I'm very likely to say let's be here.
Okay, well, we're not going to go to Matthew's. We've done that your last 2 birthdays here. I mean, I like it, but again, not only the last 2, but we've been there, you know, multiple times. So
Fine.
we'll try someplace different or someplace we've been, but like haven't been to in a while. So we'll see what we pass.
Surprisingly crowded for Monday.
Well, it is July. And, you know, people take off. I mean, hey, there's school, so kids are off. There are people that are teachers that are off. And, you know, typically people get vacation. It's not bad. There's a well, okay, there's a kind of breeze.
So considering that I get the same thing just about anywhere I go.
Well, you're not going to be able to get it anywhere here.
What do you mean?
That's like the only place. Well, except for maybe the Italian place. You're not going to be able to get the chicken parm.
Well,
They don't really have that here.
You know, it's a certain class of things that I get.
No, but that's what you've had the last couple times.
Right, but do you have a particular place that you?
It's your birthday. I just don't want to go there again.
I don't
But if you really want to, of course I will.
remember.
Well, lucky for you, I can remember for both of us, as long as I'm in attendance.
So was it the Hideaway?
No, Matthews is the place we've been. I mean, we've been to many of them. We've been to the Hideaway. That's been a long time, so if you want to look at a menu. And of course, there's Beacheria, which we've never been to. I mean, it's not oceanfront, which is why probably we haven't done it. But Hideaway, Bayside Dining. FYI, we ended up back at Matthew's for dinner. It is Stu's birthday location, apparently. But it was delicious. We all enjoyed it. We both. The walk back to the boat. Have to check for ticks after this. Ugh. just around the bend. Look at how beautiful that is. Had a nice day, or afternoon, evening, whatever, on Ocean Beach. And now we're gonna head back to the boat. Just a quick little the birds flying by. And the boat back there. Out there. It is on our way. Well, almost. Let's get the dinghy, which is right there. And then we'll be on our way. Look at how pretty. Oh, there's the pirate flags.